The logo you find behind me is of the Adventist University of Africa, established in 2006. They have master's and PhD studies here from diverse fields. And they have got a very nice way of welcoming the students. They say, enter to learn. They prepare leaders and then they send them out to serve. Enter to learn, depart to serve. When you serve, you automatically earn. That comes just as a compliment, or that comes as a reward. But your motive should be to serve. Let us enjoy serving. The fruits will automatically fall in their right slots. God bless this institution, and God bless each one of us to serve mankind.